Tips and tricks for sewing with Flannelette. Flannelette is a fabric made from wool, cotton, or other synthetic fibres and is used to make clothing, pyjamas, and other accessories. When ironing flannelette, lift and press the iron instead of running it across the fabric, because it can warp easily. Starch is your best friend when it comes to preventing the fabric from stretching and distorting. Flannel is a directional fabric, which means it has a nap. If you are cutting out a garment or a project, you will want to make sure all of the pieces are cut in the same direction, as the fabric can look slightly lighter or darker depending on which way it's cut. Flannelette frays easily due to the loose weave of the fabric. Always finish your seam edges with an overlocker, otherwise you will have a lot of unravelling threads on your garments. Always remember to pre-wash your flannel fabric before sewing. Flannelette is notorious for shrinking, so we recommend buying extra fabric to allow for more seam allowance. We recommend these sewing machine settings. A universal 100/16 needle works great. A walking foot will help prevent the fabric from stretching and distorting while sewing. Otherwise, you can use a general foot and heavy pinning, as it will give you better control. Polyester thread works best. It has a little give and is stronger than cotton. Make sure to increase your stitch length to 3 mm. Ensure you reduce tension and your pressure gauge a little. Too much tension will stretch your fabric and cause pulling. Overlock seams or use a zigzag stitch or finish seams with a French seam. Stay stitch or baste around any curved seams before sewing. Happy sewing!